What's good? What's good? What's good? It's what is it? Wednesday morning. Happy hump day, baby. The market. We got about 3 minutes till the market opens. This morning, the futures kind of pushing up and then selling off once again this morning. So, good morning. Good morning. It's 3:30 here in Hawaii, and well, we're getting ready for the market to open on the East Coast at 9:30 a.m. And we're going to do it. We're going to do it live right here on YouTube. Yesterday, absolutely just crushing it in the market. So today, looking for more opportunities to make some money. Hey, baby. Let's go. Right now, the SPY at the 417, 418 area. Looking to see what we get. Yesterday's low at the 413. We had Google, we had Microsoft all having some issues. So let's dive into the action here and see what we got going on. So right now, watching the SPY this morning. I like the SPY to fill this gap. We got the 413 area as yesterday's after hours support. I would like to see 413 get tested again, and then we start to push back up. We're gonna wait at open to kind of look for opportunity, and yeah, kind of just see what happens today. Should be, I think we should get some good action. I'm thinking we're going to get some good action. We had a pretty good day yesterday, but looking maybe for that 413 area to get touched today. And then after that, well, we'd like to see what happens from here. What happens from here? I'm going to be watching, let me see. What were we looking at? 413 puts. They're at about $1.87 yesterday. So we'll be looking at like the 413 puts at open, and then we'll also be looking, I'm thinking maybe 423 on the call options. So here we go. Market is about to open. Let's make some money. Delaware baseball. He knows. Creedmoor, Hayden. Live from Australia, tuning in from around the world. Let's go. Market is looking primed and ready, baby. Primed and ready. Can't we go to the moon? Let's see what happens. We're going to do it either way. We're going to have some fun today. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The James Bond live. Everyone is no longer coming to the live streams to watch me. They're just coming to listen to James Bond. Let the dust settle, he said. All right, all right. 007, we listen to the man, the myth, the legend. So those 413 puts are now at $1. Let's see if we get denied here. So that 416.89 area was kind of a little bit of a bounce there at pre-market. We'll look to see if this is going to get stuck there at the VWAP at open and sell off. Yeah, I'm thinking, like I said, I'm thinking we pull back to the 413 area, we bounce there, and then we make a big move end of day. Or like the 007 agent said, maybe we rally up here and then we continue to sell off down to the 413 area end of day. So couple options here. We go up, we go down, right? The market, which way is it going to go today? Well, little did you know that it might go up and it might go down. We'll see. She might go up. She might go down. Right now, the SPY having a little bit of trouble here at the VWAP area, the 418. So watch. I'm going to watch 417. If we crack 417 here, I'll look to get short. For the breakdown, we should get a move down here to the 416s if we break through this 417 area. Looks like you might want to push up here to the 419s. Showing some strength here on the 3-minute chart. Pushed up to the 418s now again. See if we can squeeze up here above this 418 area to the 419s. The VIX selling off here, 31.30 on the VIX. So looking for a little squeeze up here. We got to push up to the 419s. Get a push up 419 or higher here on the SPY now. Watching this bounce off the VWAP. Watching this bounce off the VWAP here. See if we can get it. And squeeze up, baby. Looking for a push. We'll look for a push above 419 on this move. We got a high kind of pre-market at that 420 area. If we can break out here, but let's see. Here we go. Push, push, push. For the squeeze, baby. For the squeeze. See if we can push up above 419 here. And this market trying to push up here. Having troubles. I'd like to see this push to 419. The VIX 31.31 now. See if you can push over 418.50 right here. Keep popping, baby. Keep popping. Give me one more. Give me one more boner candle, baby. We're long on the ES right here. Looking for a push up. And beautiful. Pushing off the VWAP there. Pushing up there to the 419s now. Taking profit on the ES scalp for a $56 profit. $56, putting it in the bank already this morning. Let's go. We just keep, trust me, we just keep adding up $56, $56, $56. Yesterday hit $500 trading the MES. So that's all we need to do, baby. That's all we need to do. Let's not get crazy. Let's just make some money. I believe, yeah, IronBeam should be available in Europe. In Australia, sorry. Right now, I'm going to be watching this 419 area on the SPY. If we pop above there, Be about a 4200 on the ES would be a nice little breakout again, I think. Somebody said the dollar is going to the moon on the DXY right now. SPY looking like a little like it wants to still go higher here. As long as it kind of holds above the VWAP, we could get this move higher here today. We got a couple of different people, a couple of different ideas in the chat box right now. A couple of people think we're going to go lower. A couple of people think we're going to go higher. Some people looking for a push up and then to buy puts. All right, all right. Let's see what we get today. Should be an interesting day. We got same day expiration today. It's going to be a fun one. I'm going to wait until we get that big move. I want to see some serious action here before I go and load up on some call options or some put options, depending on where we're at here. Right now, the SPY having trouble here at the 418 area, the VWAP there. Let's see if we're going to bounce. The VIX starting to pop up here a little bit. Everyone, we got a couple. Now we got Williams Family Channel believes that today we're going to go sideways. Some people think we're going to go up. Some people are going to go down. And some people think we're going to go sideways. Welcome to the market, my friends. It's anyone's guess at this point. Anyone's guess. It could go up. It could go down. I like the probabilities here. 50-50. Looking for a push above 419 here on this move. Can we break out to the upside? Hayden didn't have to sell his wife's car yesterday. Congratulations on that. Probably make your life a lot easier. Not having to sell your wife's car after a bad trading day. I'm thinking we get a push above 419 here, so I'm going to take a little long on the ES. We'll keep holding above the VWAP here, get this push up above 419s. Maybe first push up there on the SPY, the ES, push to the 4200s on the ES here. Let's see. Looking for a squeeze. Market needs to make a move here. Let's see, 419s here. Come on, push, baby. She wants it. There we go. Locking in another $50 in gain there on futures. On the ES, we're up to $108 now. $108 in the first 10 minutes. Let's go. Little winners keep adding up, my friends. They keep adding up. Little winners just keep adding up. There she goes. Going to push all the way to the 4200s now. Watch. Oh, man. You can see on the ES, we got a little bit of resistance here. Also on the SPY, got a little resistance at this level. So we'll see if this is going to... We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm looking at the 424 call options here. Oh, wow. I should have held on. I knew we were going over 419. Why? Why did I sell there? Oh, gosh. Why did I do that? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. She's... Oh, God. I should have held that one. That sucks. Is what it is. Oh, my gosh. We're getting the ripper. She's a ripping. Ripping straight to the moon right now. 420s. I jumped in on the 425 call options at 50 cents. They're now up to 65 cents. Would expect some type of pullback here, though. Oh, my. Look at this thing. We're ripping right now. It's a ripper. So we'll look for a small pullback here. Let's get a small pullback for an entry to get long. See if we can pull back to this 419 level. Remember, patience, my friends. Patience, my patience. The bulls are back. The bulls are back in town. Bulls are back in town. The bulls are back. Holy crap. Look at this thing. Look at the ES right now. Cha! Look at this candle. Look at this thing. It's just going straight up right now. Oh my gosh. Those call options are up to 78 cents, 80 cents now. Remember, I paid 54 cents. Look at these things. Oh my gosh. It's happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. I'm in at 50 cents, up to 80 cents now. Looking for more on these babies. Come on. See if you go to $1 today. Go for 100% gain on these. Looking to buy the dip as well if we get some more we get a pullback here. We should expect some type of pullback. But these options, these are the 425 call options. Market squeezing up there big to the 421s now. I'll look for a pullback here for an entry. Let's see. Can we get the pullback? There we go. Getting a little pullback here. Still pretty far up there, though. So I think we can pull back more. Let's see if we can pull back here to the 419, 419.40, 419.50 area. Or maybe we just go straight to the moon here. Oh my gosh. This is one of those opportunities where I'm like, man, you know, I wish I would have bought more call options. I don't even know what to do right now. I hate these days. I really do. I hate when this stuff happens like this where it just starts going straight up. It's not fun. I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't like it. No, I don't want it. I don't want it to go straight up. I want it to make, I want a little pullback. Let me get in. These options now up to 90 cents. Remember, I paid 50 cents for these guys. 50 cents for the 425 call options. And now we're hitting 90. Looking for a move above $1 here today. For 100% gains, baby. You're looking for 100% gains. Gang. We got a ripper going here. We'll get over 421.50 here. Push the 422s. Let's get these options above $1 so I can take my profit. Up to 95 cents now. Here we go. We're going for $1. I told you. I'm getting my 100% gain here. I'm getting my 100% gain, baby. I'll take my 100% gains. Taking a little bit of profit here at 97 cents, or 95, sorry, on those options. Not a bad day so far. Making some money on the ES, making some money on options. Oh yeah, looking for 100% gainers, baby. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. I don't know, what's a good name for a Wednesday? Wild Wednesdays. Wild Wieland Wednesdays. There we go. Wild Wieland Wednesdays. That's a thing. I'm gonna go ahead and coin that. Wild Wieland Wednesdays. We're getting wild. We're getting wheeling and dealing, baby. Let's go. All right, getting a pullback here finally. Let's see where we can pull back to. Let's get a nice little setup going here. Look for a nice next move. Patience, my friends. Patience. You want to get paid, you got to have patience. Need some mute. Why does my computer do this every day? Every day I have to deal with this. I can't work in these conditions anymore. I can't do it. I just can't do it. These conditions are unsuitable for my streaming prowess. Oh my gosh, here we go. Above $1 now. Let's go on those options. Come on. Exactly like we said here at open. It's not rocket science. Don't go making it harder than it really is. You know what I mean? Just don't make it harder than it really is. People like to make trading just a lot harder than it really is. So there we go. Look at these options now above $1. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I was taking my profit above $1. Did I not say that? Did I not say that? Here we go, baby. For 100% gain. Thank you very much. Come again. Locking in profit there. Above $1. Come on. Who's this good? Tell me one guy who's this good. The VWAP indicator that I'm using is the VWAP session. It basically gives me a deviation, top and bottom. I think it's like a -2 deviation or a -1 or +1, whatever it is. So now this is going to be important. We're going to see where these bulls are going to defend at. We're looking for where these bulls can defend. Look at this. Hey, when you're good, baby. Look at this push. Push up to $1.06. The pullback. I'm out. Took my profit above $1. Took my profit above $1 here. Let's go, boys. 100% gainers at the open. 425 call options from 50 cents up to $1.01. I bought 10 contracts at open. So getting a big pullback here. I'll tell you the nice thing about trading futures. If you guys are ever wondering, trading futures, you get a better tax bracket, or I think it's taxed differently than trade. Like you never get wash sales, you don't get any of that crap. Trading futures is a lot easier for tax purposes. So now the SPY bouncing off this 420.50 level. So all we got to do now is just kind of sit here, wait, and watch where we're at with these candles. No point in trying to buy the dip until we see that we're getting some good buyers coming in there. We're going to confirm that we're getting the dip. And only then are we buying. Only then. Only then must we buy. What's my opinion on Gush? Well, no opinion on it. Maybe somebody else in the chat has something to talk about, but we stay away. I stay away from those ETFs. It's funny because I'm trading the SPY, but I stay away from the oil ETFs and all that crap. Right now, looking at the SPY here, bouncing off this 420.50 level. Let's see if we're going to hold here and want to push up again. Get back above 421. Looking here at the 15-minute chart, running into that resistance there at the 422. 422 is running into resistance from yesterday. We had multiple attempts to try to break through that 422 area today. That once again being resistance. So if we can push over 422, that 426, 428 area is definitely in play here today. So let's see what happens. I like to get more of a pullback here. These options, these call options are going to pull back even more, and it'll be beautiful. We get a pullback to this. I think 419 would be really nice for a pullback. Let those options get crushed again, and then we can buy them and we can sell them again for 100% profit. That's what I'm talking about. You buy them in the morning, you sell them for 100% profit. You buy them again, you sell them for 100% profit. Let's go. I like to make money, baby. That's what we're doing here. We only got number one goal of this channel, number one goal right now of this live stream is to make money, my friends. Make money. Right now, the SPY pulling back here on the 15-minute chart. You can see at that 420.50 area. I wouldn't mind if it goes a little lower, to be honest. Like I said, a little lower would be okay. I wouldn't be mad about it. I think if we break below the VWAP, we can't hold above the VWAP, it'll be bearish, and then we would head lower. And at that point, I'd be looking at like the 417 puts. The 417 puts right now are trading for $1. So maybe even go a little lower. Maybe like 415 puts. The ES needs to hold this, I think, 4210 area. we get a push above 421, it should start this party again. QQQ pulling back, looking very similar to the SPY right now. So everything kind of pulling back together here, which is kind of, you know, you want to see that overall setup. All right, looking like we're going to want to push up here. Let's see. We're holding that 420.50 area right now on the SPY. See if we get the next leg higher, push above that 422 resistance. If we push above 422, we should just get a skyrocket, I think, from there. So let's see if we get that. I can see a 3-minute candle make a new kind of push here. There we go. See where this 3-minute candle closes at, but looking like she wants to push 421s here on the SPY right now. Everything kind of balancing out. The VIX kind of settling down as well. So now we're looking, we can see, get a pop above 421 here. Squeeze up again to the 422s. Let's see. 421s. 421. Break, break, break. Need to get a push right here. Let's show some strength. Push above 421s. Show that strength. Let the bulls to come back into control here. Over 421s. Beautiful. Let's go. Looking for a push up of 422s here. Seems like the tech stocks are trying to bounce back here today after getting sold off the last few weeks. Lots of shorts, looking for shorts on the tech stocks. Let's see if we get a push over for 421.50 here. I'm long on the ES right now, looking for a push up here. We're in at the 16s. Beautiful move so far. 421.50s coming up next here. Let's get this push over 421.50 here. James Bond calling for the 426 today. All right, all right. I'm in at the 16s on the ES, looking for a push above the 25s here. Oh my gosh. Daddy likey. We're up $185 on the ES, on the MES. So that's 3 winning trades in a row now. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. We don't need to go crazy. We just got to take a little bit of profit as we go here. Look at that. Up $185 on the day. We've made some money on options already. We're killing it right now, boys. Absolutely killing it. Nice little pullback here. Man, I don't know if I timed that perfectly or I timed that perfectly, but I timed it perfectly. I got out right there at the top of that candle on the MES here. Let's go. Let's see if we get this pullback to the 419.50 area like I was looking for earlier. On the 15-minute chart, this would put us right there at that 419 level. Robert said if the SPY goes to 426, he's gonna sell his house. That seems a little aggressive. That seems a little aggressive, Robert. A little aggressive. Roy Jenkins. We got some real characters. We got some real characters here in the chat, my friends. Got about a 25 handle move there on the SPY on that last 5 minutes. This thing is getting dumped right now. These options are going to get nice and juicy. I like it. Let's just keep crashing, baby. We'll see where this 15-minute candle closes at. If we close, I'm still thinking we're going to be pretty bullish, especially after kind of pushing up like we have. So we'll kind of give this some time. Like I said, it's no rush today. We got same-day expirations. We're going to get some big moves in the options market. We're going to get some big moves in the SPY. So nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. If you guys are just now tuning in, welcome to the party. Congratulations, you found the #1 day trading channel. So if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's get those likes blowing up. We got 150 people watching. We got 54 likes. I think we can hit 100 likes in the next minute. Let's go. Let's get that breakout on the likes. Come on, come on, come on. Right now, the SPY at the 419.50 area. The VIX pushing up to the 31s on the VIX. We got the SPY. I like the 30-minute chart still here on the SPY. We can hold this area to be very bullish to get that bull flag on the 30-minute chart. So we get back above 420 here. I'm liking that move if we can get that. Let's see if we can get back above 420 and bounce right here on the 3-minute chart. We're right there at the VWAP right now, right at the VWAP. I'm looking at the 424 call options here. They just got a nice little drop down to the 50s. See if we get a little bit lower, maybe 418s. If we bounce off 418, well, that'll be party time. The ES at the 4200s now. Up 180. We're up $185 trading the MES this morning so far. Not bad. That's the micros, my friends. Not even the full size. That's micros. Up $185. Not bad at all. That's trading 3 contracts. 3 contracts per trade. Nothing too crazy, you know? Nice and easy, my friends. Nice and easy. See if the SPY can push back above the 420s here. Get going again. Looking very doable. Looking very doable here. Let's go. Got about a minute 30 left on this 3-minute candle. Yo, guys. Listen. There's a button. It's called the like button, right? There's 160 people watching. We got 72 likes. I'm not asking for much. I'm really not. I hate to be that guy. Like, I wish I could just be like, oh, sick. Everybody loves me. And they just hit the like button and they all appreciate it. But let's go. Let's pop it off. Come on. Turn that like button into green. It's never activated? God. I activated it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. Now we got it activated. Does that help? Can you see the like button now? It's not my fault. It's YouTube's fault. Here we go. Looking for this push up. 420s. I bought some of the 424 call options. Remember earlier I bought the 425s. I bought the 424s for pretty much what I bought the 425s earlier. Look at these things right now. These options ran to $1.45 earlier, so I'm still looking to buy some more on the dip here. Wouldn't mind to pay 40 cents for these. A tradesman never blames his tools. Real funny, Hayden. Real funny. SPY pulling back here. 418s now. 418.90s. Oh, this is some aggressive music here. Some dubstep. Dubstep. Dum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum 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 dubstep. Dun, dun, dun. Nothing I love more than waking up at 3:30 in the morning, listening to some dubstep while trading. Really gets the blood flowing, baby. Really gets the blood flowing. Let's go. I like to make the money, honey. All right, I like to see a push above 420 here pretty soon. Keep that bullish momentum going. Show the bulls are in control here. We don't want to dip too much. Don't want to dip too low. Too low on this. Need the bulls to come back. Start pushing back up. At least that's just to show that the bulls are still alive. So right now, I got about 4 minutes left here on this 15-minute candle. Like I said, we'd like to see a push up to the 420s, get us back above the VWAP on the 15-minute chart there. Let's see if we're going to get it. 418.80 now. The VIX popping up, 31.21 on the VIX. We got action. We got fun. We only got 98 likes. Gosh. 160 people watching, only 98 likes. How does that work? How does that work? Pop it up, my boys. You guys can literally make the like button move just by pressing it. It's crazy. Imagine if you could make the market move just by pressing a button. It's kind of like that. Sort of, I guess. Kind of. In theory. This 15-minute candle right now, I'm not in love with it right now. Not going to lie. I'd like to see a push up here. We got 3 minutes left. Let's at least get back above 419s. Oh, man. Having trouble here. This is not looking good right now. Let's see if we can hold here. Just sell, sell, sell coming through. Lots of selling coming through here. The VIX spiking up. If we can't hold 417s, I think we're going lower today. I think we're going lower. If we can't hold those 417s here. It's a bit annoying. Why is that so loud? $4.18s. Not looking good. I'm thinking might be turning bearish here. That's a lot of momentum to give up. We just gave up a lot of momentum, so let's see what we get here. That's my interactive brokers. I don't know how to turn it off. Damn it. I just have to just turn down the audio, I guess. I don't know what to do here. Stop it. It's not even, I'm not even doing anything right now. It's just my computer making noises. I don't know. Looking very bearish right now, I would say. If we get a breakdown below this 418s, well, if we get a close below this 418 area, it's not going to be good for anybody. Let's see if we get a push back up here a little bit. Johnny C's buying the 415 puts. Let's go. This market doing a complete V right now. Wow, I wish I would have got short earlier. Oh my gosh. The ES is down like, what, 50 handles right now? Are you kidding me? Wow. I'd like to see at least like a pushback up to the 418s here.
Order partially filled.
Wowzers. Oh my gosh. Bull trap. Yeah, that's not looking hot right now. I blew it so hard on this. Should have got really short. I should have got short. Should have got short on that denial on that 422. I mean, that was pretty evident right there. Now we'll look for a pushback up. We're going to retest that VWAP here. And that's what we're looking for, a pushback up. We got Eric shorting NVIDIA. Yeah, so I'm trading the futures right now. I'm up $185 trading futures. So far today, getting 3 trades in, 3 winners, 3 profits, 3 trades, 3 something. Market just selling here. Just sell, sell, sell. I pretty much stick with the ES most of the time, I would say. So I ended up buying some 410 lottery puts. Paid 30 cents for them. We'll see what happens with those. I might just hold those for the end of the day. We might get some insane move here to the downside. I mean, we're pretty much flat where we started the day at. So the market has plenty of downside here. I mean, think about it like this. If we get let's say we get a 2% move to the downside here, that would put us pretty much down here at like 408, 409. So I think that's very, very doable. Eric's killing it on his short on NVIDIA right now. NVIDIA from 191 to 183. Let's go. QQQ. Oh my, look at this. Wow. Ah, I'm fricked. Fricked, man. Look at this thing. I wish, oh my gosh. The QQQ selling off. We got the SPY selling off, the VIX spiking from the 30s up to 32.24 right now. The volatility is back, baby. We got the volatility. DWAC, what the hell? Up to $46 yesterday. James Bond talking about this one. Look at this thing. Up to $46 now. Wow. And I can't believe that DWAC made the move that it made. Don't get caught up in the vicious bear trap. I don't know. It seems like it's looking pretty bearish here. So we filled the gap there on the chart. We had a little bit of a gap. I mean, little tiny gap. On the chart there. So we like to see maybe a push back up to the VWAP here. Let's see what happens. If you're just now tuning in, welcome. Hit that like button. Let's go, baby. Let's go. There's only one rule with this YouTube channel. Only one rule. That's you come here, you bring good ideas, you bring quality, you be a part of the channel, you be a part of the action, and you hit that like button. It's really simple, really easy. Hit that like button. Let's get going, baby. I know. I don't want to be that guy, but YouTube basically forces me to be that guy. If I don't get enough likes, then I won't be able to pay my bills. Oh, God. I'm trying to get more likes so that I can fight back all the dislikes that I got from talking about AMC going to 0. I need pretty much like 1 million likes to be able to balance out all the dislikes. It could be difficult. Great idea. Let's make some money. Let's go. I like it. I got a new jet ski. I went boxing yesterday. I worked out at 5 o'clock. So I went boxing at 10 a.m., went and got the new jet ski, came back, and then went boxing at 5 o'clock. I mean, working out, lifting weights at 5. My body hurts, man. I'm sore. I'm a sore boy today. Waking up in the morning sometimes, you're like, oh my gosh. What did I do yesterday? I'm lucky. Don't bet against the WSB apes. Oh, we bet against him. It's a Yamaha. Yamaha. I got 2 jet skis now. It's great. One for me and one for myself. So the SPY pushing back up here, looking like we're getting a little relief bounce here. We'll see if we can retest that VWAP area. We'll see what happens here on the SPY. If we can push up to that 418 area. Sell back down. Eric killing it on the video from 191 to 184. Not bad, my friend. Truck driving ape. He's a truck driving ape. Hey, we won't hold it against you. I got nothing against the apes, honestly. Nothing personal. It's just trading, baby. It's the stock market, you know? One person thinks the stock's going to go up. One person thinks the stock's going to go down. That's called trading. That's how it works. Market bouncing back up here to the 417.50 area. Let's see where we close out this 3-minute candle. If we get a nice little wick on the top, we should continue lower. Would like to see that VWAP getting touched there. If we get a denial at the VWAP, we're definitely going to see a bigger move to the downside here. Lots of action up and down, up, down, sideways, right, left, and everywhere. The nice thing is that at least we know one thing, all right? The market can go up. The market can go down, right? We got moves up. We got moves this way. The market can go sideways. But you know one thing for sure? The market can't go back. So that leaves us only 3 directions out of the 4 possible directions. So still looking like we might get that test of the VWAP here. I can delete all these stupid things. Can I delete all these without... James Bond calling for the squeeze, he says. 50-50, we can go up or down, pretty much. Yeah, I pay for like the typical like data and things like that with Interactive Brokers. Whatever the basic data that I need. Still looking bearish. As long as we stay below the VWAP here, we're going to be bearish, but DWAC is up today, yeah. James Bond killed it on that one. That guy, sometimes, James Bond, sometimes you really do a good job, my friend. So the market pushing back from the 416s now, back up to 418. Nice little pushback up here. Waiting for confirmation that we're getting stuck at an area before jumping in short again. Basically looking for a candle to close a red and then kind of show us. Like if this next candle pushes up and can't push above this area here, well then that'll be good confirmation that we're going to go lower here. $416.80 is a low on this 3-minute candle here. Looking weak here, like it wants to touch that 416 area again. Let's see. The VIX at 32 right now. This is the SPY. We're trading the SPY, guys. It's the only thing we ever pull up. We're only trading the SPY. There's no other charts getting pulled up here. Only the S&P, the SPY. People always ask, what are you trading? It's the SPY. It's always the SPY. Well, the ES, but either way, yeah. It's the S&P basically. Looking for a move down to the 416s here if we can get stuck right now. The VIX holding 32s right now on the VIX. Looking for a break below 416.80 here again. TVIX, oh yeah, all in on TVIX, baby. Those are the good old days. Beautiful move here on the ES. Let's go. Locking in another, I think like $70 there on that one. We're up $252 here on the MES right now. Look at that move down to the 416s. Like I said, that break below 416.80, touching the 416s now. Let's go. My 410 puts are running up as well here. Remember yesterday was very similar today, you know. It was just like little base hits, you know, little base hits, little profits, little profits, little profits, just keep adding up, and then boom, baby. Going to the moon. What do you think? Should I sell these puts for 100% gain or should I hold them longer? We're about to be at 100% gainer on these puts. What are we thinking? When did I start trading the SPY? I think in the last year or so. James Bond told me to hold my puts. Okay, I'm going to hold my puts, James. I will not ever sell. You can see these are the 410 puts right here. Paid 30 cents for them. Looking for a move above 60 cents. Watching the SPY get down to the 415s here. $15-minute chart looking beautiful right now for a pullback. I mean, for a crash down here. $413 is that target. A lot of people talking about this 413 area, looking like she wants to get touched today. That was the low after hours yesterday after all the earnings and everything. So this is what we're looking at. 413 area being a good target, I think. Either way, I'm going to sell these puts for 100% gain. Just watch. Doing it live here on YouTube, baby. Are you not entertained? 61 cents now. Let's go, boys. Let's go. 61 cents. Taking a little bit of profit there. I'm going to lock in some. I'm not scared to lock in profit, baby. 63 cents now. Selling on the ask. Locking in some profit here. I bought 10 of these bad boys at 30 cents. I'll look to sell half for 100% gain, and I'm going to look to lottery the rest here. How did we, I mean, literally, we made 100% gain on those call options this morning. We made 100% gain on the puts. Well, I mean, why would you ever watch any other YouTube channel? I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Look at these things, up to 63 cents now. This is the Interactive Brokers platform that I'm trading options on. There's a link in the description. Let's go, baby. %100 gainers. That's all we're doing here, boys. I love 0-day expirations. Oh, you gotta love them. I don't know about you guys, but I get excited when it's the 0 days. I'm like, let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. All right, so I sold 5 now of those puts at 61 cents, 62 cents. Looking for this to touch down to 415 flat. On the 15-minute chart, looking very bearish here. That 413 area wants to get touched. 100% gains, baby. That's all we're doing. 64 cents now on those puts. God, you know what I love more than anything? You guys know what I love more than anything? I'm sure you probably do. I'm sure I don't even have to say it. You guys already know what I love. Fucking making money, baby. Waking up in the morning. We woke up at 3:30 this morning, and we're just crushing it right now. Absolutely crushing it. Where else can you go for this type of action? How's trading going for me today, Valza? Valza? I don't know. We're making 100% gains on calls. We're making 100% gains on puts. We're up $250 on the MES. Life is good, my friend. Life is good. So pushing off that 415 area flat right now. Looking like I might get a push back up here. Test that VWAP area again. Looking for another opportunity to get short here. Let's see a push back up. Maybe 417s. 413. Looking very doable today. That bottom was yesterday's low here after hours yesterday. So 413. I don't know what is 335 talking about right now. What is he talking about? The delta. He wants to go to the delta in California. So 415's getting defended right now. What's interesting, you look, there's like kind of like almost a little mini gap in the chart last night from that 415 area pushed up. So kind of filling that gap there on the chart. Interesting. Very, very interesting. The VIX dropping from 32.50 down to 31.96 now. Looking to see what happens here. Nice little bounce back there. The Bulls trying to battle it, trying to hold that 415 level here. James Bond believes that if we can close at 418 or higher, we could trigger a squeeze into close. Let's see if the 007 agent is correct once again. Oh. We'll see where this 15-minute candle closes at. That 418 area of resistance right now. Let's see if we get denied here. 417s. Be watching 416.40s. What's your number to the downside, James? If we break to the downside here today. If the market doesn't rally, where do you think we're going to go? How low can we go? Ugh. Ugh. Cold coffee's the worst. Well, like cold when it's been sitting in your mug cold. Lukewarm. We thinking a couple guys in the chat thinking that we've got the low of day confirmed here. Okay. Nice little push up here. We got about 12 seconds here on this 3-minute candle. Trying to push back up to the VWAP there. We got the VWAP at that 418.50 area right now. Let's see what happens here. Three-minute chart looking like she wants to push up here 418s. Roy Jenkins bought the 427 calls. Let's go. See if we can break over 418 here. Test the VWAP. The VWAP. The ES pushing above that kind of recent little high that it had there at this level. So see if momentum can continue here. Looking for a break over 418s on the SPY. The VIX selling off below 32 now on the VIX, down to 31.72. Let's go. SPY really won. I think we're breaking 418 here in the next minute or so. got some degenerate gamblers here in the chat right now talking about their 423, 427 calls that expire today. Y'all crazy. Let's see. Come on, SPY's got to push through here on this 418s. Show the bulls are in control here. Can she go? Get a break here. Market getting tight right here, slowing down. Not sure which way it wants to go. If it can break the 418s, she's got to break it. Market literally just paused. It's like, can we push it higher? Even the ES, there's like no orders coming through. Looking for a push over 418s here. Come on. Let's hit that VWAP. $418 getting touched there. I think we're going to break right here through 418, baby. There we go. Another beautiful trade on the MES here. We are currently, where we're at? We are currently up $290 here on these, on the MES right now. Let's go. See if we get, we got a question now is, do we get stuck at that 418.50 level where the VWAP's at? How are my NFT ventures going? Well, they're going. 418.50, pushing up there on the SPY now. Does she get denied? If we get a break back below 417, I think it'd be bearish here. We got to kind of hold above 418. On this 15-minute chart, we can hold above 418 here. Start to push back up. Got a big bullish engulfing candle there on the 15-minute chart. So definitely looking more to the bullish side now. I'm going to close out those 410 puts that I bought earlier for basically break even here. Locking in the profit on it still. That's why we take partials, my friend. That's why we take partials. $418 close there on the SPY right now. So now we get back above the VWAP here. We're going to get that move, baby. Oh, gosh. Never a good sign when you have to look away from your trade. I'm just saying. Never a good thing. SPY holding here at the 418s now. See if we can get a push up above 418.50. Get confirmation that the bulls are in control here. Let's move up here. 418.50 looking for a breakthrough. Let's fucking go, boys. Come on. Daddy likey. We're up $350 now, trading futures this morning. $350. We're up I think about $600 trading options as well. So we are absolutely cruising right now. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, boys. It's not rocket science. It's definitely not rocket science. I'll tell you that right now. Keep it real easy. If you guys want to learn more about the platform I'm using for trading futures, this is the, what is this? This is the IronBeam app. Sorry, it's early. It's, what is it? It's 4:45 in the morning here in Hawaii. But this is the IronBeam app. Really simple, really easy. It's a cloud-based app. You guys can sign up for these guys. They have a really low minimum. I think it's like $300 to start trading the MES. You know, not a bad way to trade if you're trading. I really think if you're going to be trading, you're learning to trade, you want to start trading, you know, all that fun stuff, you got to really focus and trade the ES. Hayden, he's going to bed. He's in Australia. Talk about opposites. He's going to bed. It's, what is it? Thursday morning in Australia, and Hayden's going to bed right now. We're just getting the day started here. Let's go, baby. So if you want to learn more about these platform I'm using, there's a link there in the chat box. Also a link in the description. Sign up. Tell them that Patrick sent you. You get a better commission and all that fun stuff. Tell them where you came from. Tell them where you came from. Patrick Wieland sent you. Let's go. Right now, pushing above the VWAP up to the 419s here. Bouncing back now. We're back above the VWAP, so we got to be bullish, you know. Back above the VWAP, we're bullish. That's kind of a weird move, but this way. We're going this way now. Party time. So the ES pushing up to the 4200s on the ES right now. The SPY up to the 419.25 area. Let's see if we can get another ripper up to the 420s here. I like to see a break over this 4200 on the ES. Maybe get a big, quick 10-handle move up. Get up to the 210s, 220 area again. Hey, no problem. Tony in the house. T-O-N-I. Tony. Tony. I'm definitely not going to be live streaming for 5 hours today. I live streamed for 5 hours yesterday, and it's grueling. Nothing against you guys, but it does get a little grueling after a while. Definitely gets a little grueling. See if you can push up to the 419.50s here. You can donate actually in the YouTube box. You can donate if you wish. You can also sign up for $5 a month to support the channel. Help me help you, you know? A little bit of a pullback here on the SPY right now. See if you go down here, touch the VWAP at the 418.36. I can see a push up to the 420s here. The VIX getting killed. The SPY looking bullish. Looking for a push. Oh, get it back above 419 here. Get this going again. trying, battling right here at the 419s. Looking for that push above 419.50. The VIX selling off here, looking like we're going to get a spike. Looking for a break over the high on that candle, 419.18. For a push up here. A little bit of a bull flag right now. Basically just looking for this breakout here. Might get a little pulley back here. Got the VWAP right there at the 418.38 area. Just sitting back, waiting for that next big breakout. Touching down on the VWAP there. We got that VWAP right at the 418.30 area. See where this candle closes at. We got 2 minutes here on this 3-minute candle. We're right there at that VWAP. We got a lot of stuff intersecting right there. A lot of EMAs, a lot of support. Let's see if we can push this thing. Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Let's go. Can you take me higher? Definitely don't want to break back below 418 here. And we need to hold that 418 area if we're going to go higher. Hold 418s to push up here. Got about a minute 20. Look at that. Bouncing pretty strong back there. Almost the low on that candle was 418.08. I'm thinking we're going to squeeze, boys. Squeeze up into the 420s. We got 56 seconds left here on this 3-minute candle. Can we close green? Looking like it. Push above 419s here. Would be bullish. Bullish. Having a little bit of trouble here. Still staying above 418. Trading the SPY. We're trading the ES, the MES, the SPY. Trading options on the SPY. We're trading it all, baby. We're trading the market. This is where the market happens. Market moves, baby. SPY having trouble there at the 419s now. Get back. Let's get back above the VWAP here. That resistance still holding there on the SPY right now, on the ES. Let's see if we get this push up. All in one. He's trying to doesn't want to look at his trade. $350 SPY in the coming weeks. I don't know about that. That seems a little low. Maybe 400 in the coming weeks. Watching right here. I'm looking let's get a green candle to come in. Been red, red, red. Got, well, 15-minute candle here. 15-minute candle. I like to see, I like to see this 15-minute candle close back above the VWAP here. This could be bad that we're not pushing up there above that resistance there. Having a little bit of trouble right now on the 15-minute chart there. Like I said, we can't hold this 418 area. Could be trouble. I smell trouble. Gotta hold 418s here. Oh, 418s. Are they going to protect it here? 418, can they protect it on the dot? Looking like it. Oh, 418's protected. The bulls came in hard on there. Now let's see if we can push back above 419 right here. Let's go, boys. 419.50 in play. Look at how beautifully that held that 418 level. Like I said, perfectly. Absolutely madness right now. Just going straight up after holding 418. The bulls are in control. I don't know about you guys, but the bulls are in control. Wowzers. I literally... Oh. I think I absolutely crushed that trade. Absolutely. Like, look at my fills here. Got in there at the 91s. Out of the 10-handle move there. Oh my gosh. Like I said, that 418 area. Wowzers. I'm already out of the puts. Don't worry. I've been out of the puts for a long time. I got out of those puts at break even. Look at that thing from 418 just right up there to 420, almost a $2 move. Can you take me higher, baby? Oh my gosh. What did I say? Did I say that 418 needed a hold there, or did I say it needed a hold? Pushing up there to the 420s now. Look for a little micro pullback maybe here. That was a pretty beautiful bull flag breakout there. Pretty beautiful. Sexy, he says. Roy Jenkins said sexy. I guess he's talking about me again. Little pullback here. Expected a pullback after that big move up. Market doesn't just go straight up. Remember that, boys. The market does not go straight to the moon. Well, sometimes it does. Not always, but sometimes. Oh. The market gives it. The market takes it. Let's go. Looking for a push up of the 422s today. $422s on the SPY. Keep up this bullish momentum. We just keep on stair-stepping higher. The bulls are in control right now. $418s once again getting tested here. $418 really getting tested there. 15-minute candle getting denied up there at that top of that VWAP. It's the SPY. We're trading the SPY, everybody. S&P 500, the SPY. Trading the MES, trading the SPY, options on the SPY. I don't know why everyone's... Sorry, now everybody can see. I don't think you can even see it then. Not looking very bullish right now. Something's going on here. We break below 418. I think we're going to wash through here pretty quickly. Got to hold 418s. Three-minute candles. 3-minute candles. SPY holding the 418s now. Can we hold there? No specific reason why I like the 3-minute over the 2-minute. I like the 3-minute because it's a little bit closer to the in between 1 minute and 5 minutes, obviously. See if we can start to push back off this 418 again. The VIX starting to pull back as well here. See if we can push above 419s here. Retest that 420 level here to get that big breakout to the upside to the 422s today. Sorry, I mean, is that... I don't think you guys can even if I move the red box, you can't see what the chart says anyway. $418s not wanting to hold here. Chopping around right now. Market here at the 418s looking for get a pullback here. I think lower. Sweating over here right now. Market just not figuring out which way it wants to go, kind of chopping around right there. So right in the middle of that action. I'm freaking exhausted, to be honest. Not loving this action right now, so might go take a nap. Wait for the end of the day. It's 11:14 right now here, middle of the day, East Coast. And it's obviously 5:14 here in Hawaii, so kind of thinking I might just go take a little siesta for a few hours, come back here end of day. Basically looking for end of day to push above 420. See if we get a rally here, but right now kind of just some serious choppy action. Battling right here. I think that's a good idea. Whew. I don't know why it's so damn hot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Protecting the gains. The MES here, 4,200 on the MES. Trying to push up to about 419 again. Let's see what happens. DWAC up to $47. The QQQ is trying to bounce here. Everything's chopping around. Tell me to send you a window AC. I don't know about that. Wow. SPY pushing back up here, 419.50. It's a chop fest, my friends. See what happens. Push over 420s. So I've been live for about 2 hours here. So we had some good action today, some good market movements. Market up, the market down, sideways up, down, left, right. We're doing it, baby. Doing it live. If you guys haven't already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go. AC in a solar system. What's a solar system? All right, this is, I think, going to just be choppiness. Maybe some sideways action. So I'm going to go take a little nap. Come back later. Look to trade power hour. I don't want to get chopped up middle of the day here. No point in doing that. So if you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. If you want to learn more about the broker that I'm using for trading futures, it's called IronBeam app. There's a link in the description. You can check them out, learn more about it if you guys haven't already. And also, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Woof. She's up, she's down, she's all around. James Bond going to take a poop. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna take a nap. Made some money this morning. Why go and give it all back? Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. So if you guys haven't already, like I said, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later. Again, big thank you for tuning in. It's been a lot of fun. We'll do it tomorrow morning.